Hi, this is Monster Restart 91, and today we are gonna fix a leaky valve on the outside. So I already turned the bypass so water cannot be running no more. So now I'm gonna show you guys how the leak looks like. As you can see, the crack right here was leaking. So I'm gonna remove all this. I'm gonna start with this one. This is from the swan cooler, and then remove not this one, just this one, and then start removing the coupler on that broke. Well, right now I'm just gonna remove the hoses, like the garden hose and the swan cooler hose. Then start removing this coupler that got cracked. Okay, so now I'm removing it counterclockwise. Like I said, I already shut off the valve. So it's already loose. I'm just gonna separate this one right now. You could use a bench vice grip, or you could just use the same pliers with the plier. So now I'm gonna put the new one in. It's a new Teflon. Remember how the Teflon goes, how it goes? It goes clockwise. You tighten it clockwise. Sometimes it's reverse thread, but this one you go clockwise, so you put the thread clockwise, not counterclockwise, or else it's gonna peel off when you tighten it. That's how you know when you put the Teflon wrong, is when you tighten it and it's coming off. It means that you did it the wrong way. Okay, so I tightened it on the vice grip so it could be more easier. I just got it from the bottom so it won't be touching the threads, or else if you squish it too much you might not get the thread out because it's squishing the thread. So just go on the bottom. So I'm gonna use the pipe wrench. Just start twisting little by little and it should come off. You could see already twisting it. It's already ready to come off. See? So like I said, you always need like a bench. It's more easy to make use a bench press, so you can remove it easy. Look, instead of using two water pipe wrenches, it'll be a lot harder. So this one made it easy. It's already out. This one we're just gonna throw it away. It's not reusable. It's cracked. So time to change it. Okay, so I already tightened it clockwise. I was holding both of them. I super tightened this one so I won't burst the pipe. So I won't crack the pipe, I mean. So now I tighten it as much as I can. I'm using the galvanized iron. Even though they say that it's good to use it, it's not good to use it because it gets corroded. But like you see this one, I repaired this one. You're still gonna have to use the galvanized, the galvanized valves either way, so it don't matter. Once it messes up replace it again. The only reason I didn't want to use this one no more because I'm scared to crack it again. And it gets cold right here, so it could crack. So I'd rather just use this one. So 3/4. Let's say if you don't have the part for it, what you could do is use that cap, which is this one. It's a 3/4. It will start from leaking. You just put it instead of this one. You just put this one. But a cap, they also have the same material for this one. It comes with 1 inch, 1.5, 3/4. This is a 3/4. So in case you don't have the time, it's always good to carry one of these to have them. I have the half, the 1.5, and the 3/4, just in case there's a leak. I just put it on if I don't have the time or I don't have the part. Well, since I have it right there, I'm just gonna install it. I'm just gonna put the Teflon right here. I already put it on the bottom clockwise. See, it looks good. So now I'm just gonna put it on this one and put the hoses back, like the swan cooler and the garden hose, and that's it. Okay, since I already got it from here, tightened it from the pipe right here. So I'm holding it now from, instead of holding it from here, I'm holding it from this coupler, and then the water valve. So now I'm just gonna tighten everything back. I'll put there's a 13 nut right here, 13 millimeter with the open end wrench, and that's it. And put the garden hose, and that's it. It works now. Then we just remove I give like maybe like 3 or 4 turns on the Teflon and tighten it as much as I can. Make sure there's no leaks. I already opened the valve, so there's no leaks. As you can see right now, you're gonna see right now that once I open it, see how it works. There's no leaks on the coupler. I know it's not gonna get cracked. Maybe in the future it'll get corroded, but it don't matter. Like I said, everything in this world messes up over time. You just have to fix it, but it'll be better this one. Probably I'm gonna put a foam right here for the winter time, just to protect it so it won't get freezed up. So I'm just gonna cut like a little piece from here to here just to protect it, and that should be it. I'm just gonna connect it right here, and that's it. Okay, so there you have it. No more leaks. This is a good idea to put a brick right here and a little bit of cement so it could hold the pipe. Why not? Once it breaks, you're gonna have to break this. But for right now, everything is all good. But it's a good idea because you don't want like a dog or kids to bang on this, and then, or you could put a metal stake so it could hold it with wire and just hold it so it could use in place. Just bang it down and hold it. But this is a good idea too. The reason why I put this used hose, is to cover the swan cooler little hose, a tiny little hose right here. But I'm gonna put a little bit of more tape right here because I buried it on the ground. All this on the ground. But I installed PCV piping, the 1/2, and put it. All this is PCP piping on the bottom, and it goes right here. But I didn't glue it, so in case it breaks, I'll just remove it again. So the reason why is because I don't want squirrels or other animals to chew on it, and then it will break the piping. And then I put it all the way over there. See, all the way to the swan cooler. I'm gonna need some brackets so it can hold on right there. The reason why I did this so the jackrabbits or squirrels will not break the piping, because I know they see it's water and they'll break it, and it's a lot of digging. So I did all that digging on the bottom, but I put PVC like I said, and couplers all the way over here, all the way over there, and then right here. Since it's flex, I have no other choice, but I was just trying to come up with an idea, and it's I use garden hose, and like this is like the protector from the cars for the wires. So I wrapped it on black tape. You could put electrical tape or masking tape, whatever works for you guys. But this is how you protect it from jackrabbits from chewing it, because they're not able to chew on this. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of more tape, not give it a chance right here, so they could get it, and then they'll chew on the piping. So yeah, I already replaced it so many times that because they keep on chewing on it. So now I did it the most harder way so they could reach the piping. So now it's all good now. Like I said, I just need the bracket so it could hold it in place. And that's it. Thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Sorry for the wind. Well, this is how you do it. I just get the pipe right here, loosen it from here, and then right here, get it from the vice grip, and then remove this. And then to tighten it, you get this one first, and then you tighten it right here, and then you grab this one, and then you tighten this one. So it's a simple job. Use Teflon. This is brand new, so I don't really care about changing it, but it was just this problem. Make sure it's the galvanized. Some of them are gonna say not for plumbing, so make sure before you buy this one, check it's for plumbing, because some of them are for gas. I believe it's the black ones, but they're still iron. So make sure it's for plumbing. So there you go. I forgot to mention there's some that don't have the threads on the inside. There's only to glue it. So let's say this one is to glue. Put a coupler like this one, but PVC, and glue it on, and then put another pipe. And then if you, let's say you don't have the piece for it, just special ones that they don't have the threads, like I said, you just glue it, and then you put it on, and once you're ready, you just cut the tip off, and then you put on a thread, and then or one of these, whichever works for you guys, and then you could put it on, just in case if you don't have it. But this one, since it has threads on, I use this one. But if it didn't, I'm just gonna have to use a coupler, and then put another pipe on it, glue it on, put a pipe on it, or thread it on, whichever it is. And then on the tip is either threaded or non-threaded, so you have to see for that. You have to see for yourself which one you need. But like I said, mine is threaded on the inside. So this is the one I was gonna use in case I didn't have the parts. So yep, you either glue it or you thread it. So it depends which one you want to go for. It don't matter. It don't really make a difference wherever you want it. So there you go.